Mog in the fog. Goodbye, owl.
Why won't you come?
Mog wanted to climb the highest mountain in the world.
Are we nearly there?
A Sherpa saw them land.
Hello, I'm Singh. This is Yak.
I'm Meg. This is Mog. Will you take us to the top?
Okay, I lead caravan.
They crossed many torrents. Oh dear, oh dear.
Very old bridge.
Up and up and up they climbed. It started to snow. Singh took them to a cave.
Now we make tea. Good tea. Good butter in it. Yak.
The sun came out. It was dazzling. Meg found some footprints.
What big feet!
A huge cloud came down. Mog? Mog, where are you? They were lost in the fog.
Stay where you are.
I must just find Mog. Mog? Mog? Is that you? Oh, sorry. Meg made a spell. Ice axe, compass, goggles, and log. Help me, show me, lead me to Mog. Oh, here you are. The fog started to lift. Ah!
Yeti. Yak.
Meow! All the fog rolled away. They all ran. And did not stop until the top.
Mind how you go.
Yak!
Thanks. Cheers.
They flew home. It was tea time.
Pass the butter.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.